Quick video to show you how to reset the oil engine pressure warning lamp to indicate that the vehicle's due a service. If you've already done your service, this is a timed event. I'll show you how to get rid of the service light. So switch your ignition on, press and hold your accelerator pedal and hold it depressed throughout all of this. Whilst the accelerator pedal is depressed, press the brake and release it at least 6 times. Continue to hold the accelerator depressed for at least 30 seconds more. Release the brake pedal, sorry, the accelerator pedal, switch the ignition off, switch the ignition on. And that's the reset complete. There's the information you need.